Digital surveillance is enhancing the quality and quantity of footage captured, and integral to crime analysis is the ability to safely store and examine large amounts of data. We visited manufacturers in content storage solutions, Seagate Technologies, to see how their right drive, right application approach is optimising data management.
CCTV has long been a valuable weapon in the battle against crime, but those grainy images from the past have been replaced by systems that are far more advanced, capable not only of storing data for security reasons, but also enabling analysis of data for commercial use.
What we do at Seagate is build a range of hard drives to suit the fundamentally different jobs that a hard drive is asked to do. For example, take the comparison between a desktop hard drive built to do 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. That works around about 2,000 hours across a year. On the other hand, you have a surveillance hard drive which is running 24 hours, 7 days a week. That's almost 8,000 hours throughout the year. So there are big differences in the way the hard drive operates.
The technology is advancing. There's new kit coming on the market all the time. For example, Skyhawk AI. Can you talk us through that?
Sure, data is becoming very important to most of our customers. In fact, some people call it their lifeblood. Our partnership with Height Vision is based on technology leadership, working together to design not only our hard drives, but also some of their systems. For example, they have a product called Deep Learning, which is an intelligent recording device. What it does, it views a scene and learns from that scene what's normal, and therefore picks up what's abnormal behaviour and quickly flags it up as an issue. Now that causes a different workload on the hard drive, because no longer are you just recording data, you need to also use that data. It becomes operational, immediately required. And we have brought out Seagate Skyhawk AI to reflect that change in need.
Well, as we've heard, the rate of change of technology has been huge. We've gone from those grainy images through to ultra high definition with the ability to analyse video content. So it's now more important than ever that the customer has the right hard drive for their needs.
It's absolutely critical to have the right drive deployed in the physical piece of kit that does the recording. And the reason why it's critical is because there is a need to provide a much higher level of integrity of the data. Bearing in mind that video footage is often used for evidence purposes, so we cannot have packet data loss, seconds of video being lost. Seagate drives enable us to write at a very high speed and also read back the data at a very high speed. The technology has moved on from being write only to the drive and only read back the data on a periodic basis to a point where we're now reading the data to be able to do the deep learning analysis of the content. So the move to a drive that can cope with very fast read-write speed times is critical for us. We're able to provide management information regarding footfall analysis, heat mapping for retail environments, or for critical safety, temperature measurement on thermal imaging devices, etc., that can actually mean the difference between saving a life and not saving a life.
Okay, everybody, if I can just get you to activate your devices.
The main driver of technology change are the users of the equipment. CCTV systems, security systems have been regarded in the past as a cost, and now the intelligence that you can derive from a CCTV system will drive business intelligence and management information to an end user, so that CCTV systems are now regarded as a valuable asset.
Research into future data usage, recently conducted by IDC and sponsored by Seagate, suggests a massive future rise in data gathering and analysis.
By the time 2025 comes, we'll be gathering 163 zettabytes of data per year. And what drives that are things like smart cities. So it's no longer the 4 billion people in the world becoming 5 billion people in the world connected to the internet. It's the 26 billion sensors that we'll be installing, which will manage and monitor our daily average life.